Good morning. Welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. Today we're going to focus on the colors violet and purple. They bring in a calming energy, a spiritual enlightenment type of energy, creativity, wisdom, devotion, even mystery. So this will be the color that we pull in, we allow to vibrate through us. When we get distracted, we'll come back to those words of purple and violet and imagining they're there. I'm Nora Truscello with Into Intuition. Stop by my website and visit me at some time. Alrighty, let's get started. As always, we begin with the prayer of protection and the Lord's Prayer. If you know these, say them with me. If not, please repeat them after me. Everything we do with protection. We'll do a simple guiding meditation similar to the last few days where we pull the color into our system and we just allow it to vibrate there. And we close with the 23rd Psalm. So let's get started. Take a really deep breath, and as you exhale, relax and close your eyes. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Take a moment now and bring your attention to the top of your head and start scanning your body. Just quickly move your attention through every part of your body and look for any tension, anything that has dis-ease, and just put your attention on those spots and invite your body to relax and let go. Release any blocks that you come upon. Now let us bring our attention to the top of our head and our third eye. The third eye is between the eyebrows on the forehead. Notice those two places. There is a slight vibration. Feel it. Imagine it. Just know it's there. Because always this is where the energy of the divine flows into our body, never ceasing, always filling us. And it flows through our entire system, out our feet, continuously refreshing us like a river moving. This beautiful energy moves through us, renewing and restoring. Let us notice just above our head that this beautiful stream that comes through us happens to be purple and violet today. And let us follow it step by step through our body and notice how we shift and start to absorb this energy. As this violet purple energy moves into our heads, notice how you suddenly feel lighter, almost like your head is floating upward off your body. Still attached, but lighter. Allow this creative wisdom of energy move into your shoulders, down your arms and out your hands. And again, notice how you feel sort of lifted in that area. This beautiful purple violet now pours into the trunk of your body, filling every crevice, every organ, your intestines, your heart, your lungs, all of them being rejuvenated and slightly lifted from this vibration. Let us move into our hips and legs, our knees, ankles, and notice it flowing out our feet as the rest of our body vibrates at a higher level and actually feels like it's floating up slightly. In this perfect place, let us sit in silence and absorb the emotional calming, the spiritual uplifting, the creativity, the wisdom, the mystery of the divine. This is a very powerful type of vibration, so we are going to close it and not have it stay in our system because we need to be able to function well grounded. So with thankfulness and appreciation, we allow this purple to just continue to flow out our feet while the pure energy of the divine just comes in as usual, sort of flushing out this extra high vibration at our feet as we become more settled into our bodies and more grounded. We close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Thank you, guys. I look forward to seeing you all on Monday. Please remember, like and share. If we can get some of our Facebook friends on meditating every day for 10 minutes, we can change the world. Have a great and blessed weekend. See you Monday. Bye-bye.